This video will cover the installation and usage of the SWEP heat exchanger component in VapCyc. In order to access the files inside the zip file for the SWEP component, we need to take one extra step before we extract the files. Select the zip file in your File Explorer window, but do not open it yet. Go to Properties, and under the Attributes section of the General tab, click or check the Unblock button. Press Apply, and now you can go back and extract the files normally. Now we are going to copy these files into VapCyc so it can recognize and use the SWEP component. Go to the VapCyc folder on your computer, and within the User Components folder, create a folder called SWEP. Now going back to the Installation folder, copy the SSPG7DLL.dll, VapCyc SWEP Components.dll, and VapCyc SWEP Components.components files into your VapCyc SWEP folder. The SWEP VapCyc component should now appear on the heat exchanger components list as SWEP brazed plate heat exchanger. Choosing this component will open an Edit Properties window that looks like this. This heat exchanger takes in two fluids, the first of which is defined within VapCyc and is currently carbon dioxide for me. If we want to change the type of fluid, we can go to Edit System Parameters, and within the System Refrigerant folder, a drop-down menu of refrigerant types are available to use as Fluid 1 in the SWEP heat exchanger. There are 5 different options for Fluid 2, the first being water, and the other 4 being mixtures of water and another fluid. If one of these latter 4 is chosen, there is the option to specify the mass concentration in percent. Under the Coil Selection section, choose a model type. For each model type, there are a selection of models available. Under the Parameters section, define the number of plates and the flow configuration, and set the inlet temperature and mass flow rate for Fluid 2. Different units are available for inlet temperature and mass flow rate. Moving on to the Test tab, the left side of this panel allows you to define properties of Fluid 1. Selecting single phase will allow you to input the pressure and temperature of the fluid, as indicated by the PT in parentheses, while selecting two-phase will allow you to input the pressure and quality as indicated by PX. For both phase options, the mass flow rate can be entered. Different units are available for pressure, temperature, and mass flow rate. After hitting Run, the results of Fluid 1, Fluid 2, and heat load from your test parameters will appear on the right side of the panel under Results. If you have any additional questions, please contact us at support@optimizedthermalsystems.com.